There is destruction everywhere. We definitely have had hurricane force wind gusts with this storm. It's insane. Even above my expectations, it got worse than I thought. Don't know the exact wind gusts, but we had to have had over 75-mile-an-hour wind gusts for this type of damage. Probably the worst one. No tornadoes to my knowledge, but I'm sure there could have been one or two that were undetected on the island. But there was so much rotation offshore. These trees are being destroyed and pounded. Neighborhoods all over the place have trees, power lines down. Heard transformer blew when I was driving, 10 minutes west of here. Very bad, very bad. That's going to go down, I think. I'm staying away from all these trees right now. Very insane, very powerful storm. Like I said, probably the worst storm we've had since then. If not, this is definitely on par of Irene with wind. And definitely stronger than the powerful cyclone we had in mid-April. Definitely more powerful than some of the so far. It was definitely more 70, 80-mile wind gusts than 60 to 70. Oh, there goes the giant tree limb that fell right there. From over there. A lot of wood over there. See if we can capture a live tree going now. I've never done that before. Good chance I will. That thing dies down. There's another